Kyle, huge win, your first title in Iceland in the books.
Yes.
How does it feel?
Feels great, man. We put a lot of hard work in throughout the year, and this is one of our goals, and it's happy to achieve one of these goals.
I thought Grindavík was getting some, easy baskets in the first half.
Yes.
You really clamped down later part of the third quarter and the beginning of the fourth.
Yes.
Anything that changed tactically or just your mindset?
I mean, these guys, I got a lot of respect for these guys, man. It's a championship game. They came on and fought hard, and they made big shots. In the second half, we stuck to our game plan, and then we were able to get a lead and build on that. So I'm very happy with how we played as a team because we made the right adjustments in the second half.
Yeah, it was a hard-fought game. After you won the second half of the semi-finals pretty convincingly. Grindavík being pretty low in the league table. Nothing that was in the back of your mind that you just should be the better team?
No, winning's hard, man. I've won some championships before. It's very hard. Doesn't matter. You can be playing anybody, man. Everybody has pride. You know, these guys are professional at the end of the day, and they're gonna come in and play hard, and so are we. So I mean, you can't overlook anything. And that's the key to us winning tonight.
Next up, league title is probably your next goal.
Yeah, that's
but for tonight, party.
Yeah, we're gonna enjoy this tonight. But yeah, definitely after the break, we're gonna come back focused and we're ready. We want the league title.
Fantastic. Thank you, man.
All right, no problem.